Welcome to this captivating video where we explore the fascinating world of mining and take an up-close look at the largest mining machine ever built, the Bagger 293. This behemoth of a machine is a true engineering marvel, towering over everything in its path. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating details of how this massive machine operates, its features, the impressive technology that went into its construction, the incredible feats it can achieve, and its impact on the mining industry as a whole. Here we go. Bagger 293 is a giant bucket wheel excavator that is generally considered to be one of the largest machines in the world. It was constructed by the German heavy equipment manufacturer TAKRAF, formerly an East German combinate. The machine was completed in 1995 and has been in operation ever since. It is more often used in a brown coal mine near Hambach in Germany. Bagger 293 machine was initially designed to be used in open pit mining operations, specifically for the removal of overburden in coal mines. Overburden is generally the layer of earth and rock that sits on top of coal deposits. Other than coal, this excavator machine has been used to extract lignite and other minerals from the earth. The Bagger 293 is an impressive machine with a size of 314 feet tall and 738 feet long. It weighs approximately 14,200 tons, which is equivalent to 31 million pounds. It is so large that it requires a team of highly trained professionals and technicians to operate and run the machine. The Bagger 293 is powered by an enormous electric engine with a horsepower of about 16,500. The engine is capable of generating up to 6.6 kilovolts of power and consumes about 16.2 megawatts of electricity when in operation. The Bagger 293 is a remarkable machine with an impressive capacity to move large quantities of earth and minerals. The machine's capabilities are quite remarkable as it can dig up to 240,000 tons of earth or mineral per day. The Bagger 293 can excavate up to 240 meters, about 787 feet in length and 96 meters, which is about 314 feet in depth, making it one of the most significant machines in the world. The machine's bucket wheel has a diameter of 71 feet and consists of 18 buckets, each capable of holding 15 cubic meters of material. This means that the machine can move up to 2,700 cubic meters of earth per hour. The Bagger 293's power source comes from an external electric power grid, which supplies it with 16.56 megawatts of power. The machine's overall design is impressive, with its bucket wheel being the most significant component. The bucket wheel consists of a series of buckets that rotate around a central axis, scooping up earth and minerals as they move. Once the buckets are full, they are lifted and dumped onto a conveyor belt, which carries the material away from the excavation site. Bagger 293's achievements are impressive, and the machine has set several records since it was put into operation. One of the most notable records was in 2001, when the machine excavated over 240,000 cubic meters of earth in a single day. This was a remarkable achievement, and it demonstrated the machine's incredible capacity to move large quantities of earth and minerals. The Bagger 293 can dig to a depth of over 35 meters, making it one of the most efficient machines for this purpose. It also has a conveyor belt system that can transport the earth it digs to a nearby location. This helps reduce the need for additional machinery to move the earth to another site. According to the manufacturer, the machine requires up to 5 people to operate it, including an operator, a control room technician, and 3 additional support personnel. One of the advanced features of Bagger 293 is its ability to operate autonomously. The excavator has a GPS-based guidance system that allows it to move to different locations in the mine and excavate the desired area. It also has a computerized control system that helps the machine operate more efficiently. The machine's movement is primarily dictated by the speed of its bucket wheel, which rotates at a relatively slow pace of around 2 revolutions per minute. This slow and steady movement is necessary to ensure that the machine can excavate large quantities of material, while minimizing the risk of damage to the machine and the excavation site. Bagger 293 is an engineering marvel that required a massive effort to construct. It took a team of 70 people and 3 years to build this giant excavator. The construction process involved assembling the machine on site, which required the use of several cranes and specialized equipment. The total cost of building Bagger 293 was estimated to be around $100 million. Due to its massive size, the Bagger 293 can move on its own within the mining site, though it cannot travel very far on its own, and it therefore needs to be transported in sections to its destination. The machine can be disassembled into several sections, which are transported using heavy-duty trucks and trailers. The transportation process is a complex operation that requires a team of skilled professionals to ensure the machine's safe and secure movement. The disassembly process starts with removing the machine's bucket wheel and the various other components that are attached to it. The disassembled sections are then loaded onto trucks and transported to the excavation site. For sure, the size, power, and capabilities of this excavator machine are unmatched, and it has set several records since it was put into operation. The machine's manufacturer, Takrov, should be commended for its exceptional work in designing and constructing such a remarkable machine. To sum up, the Bagger 293 excavator machine is an impressive piece of machinery that has transformed large-scale excavation and mining. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content about the latest advancements in technology and engineering.